Not me, but hey, we're out here. Finally got set up. We got 125 feet right there. Mike Abon ain't here to go 87, so who's going to be next? ET will be out here later. I think ET is going to have a good hand at it, but I also think shit, better odds than last time. There was 20 feet right there. 20 on the board.
People are showing up.
We got, woo! That thing's sent.
Get that motherfucker out the grass, it's gonna be a quick round fire.
Damn. Our first casualty of the day. Big RCM gang. There you go.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.